Welcome to Kigali-Engineers-College.
I think that you get something about the disassembling. So we are going to assembly again those parts. So we're starting on the last things you disassemble it, or that to assemble it. Make sure in order to insert the piston in the piston cylinder. If you don't have the piston ring compressor, you can use the screwdriver. You just tighten it to a compressor, piston ring compressor. You just invite someone and hold the ring here, and you also going insert it. You just push, it's well inserted. See, it's well inserted. So we are going to take those pistons. We just ensure that this on the crankshaft, the fat piston or the small piston, it will be tightened on this bearing, on this crankshaft bearing. So we're going to insert it, just move it, and this one is done. You see that after you insert your connecting rod on the crankshaft, you insert the cap of the connecting rod carefully. You take the sport of it's not of the bolt of the connecting. You just connect it well, tighten it well. Let's go on another side. This side. Yeah, you just tighten away. And after, you will see the compressed air, which is the mechanical task you can perform while you have the compressed air in the reservoir. We are going to insert this cylinder block in the piston. As we see, we insert on it. You see? It's now well tightened. Let's insert the bolt. So it's a bolt. And we are going to see how the air circulates from the sucking piston circulate in the vents and until it's going with the high pressure in the reservoir. Let's finish to tighten this cylinder block here. Tighten well. Tighten well. We see how inside this crankshaft case how look like. So we are going to explain how the air entering and circulate until to the compressed air reservoir. Compressed air reservoir. So after you mount the cylinder block, there is here the valve plate. So as you see, this is the space for the big piston and this is the space of small piston. So on this cutted hole there is the valve. So the valve, it means that if you push here and you hear there is the valve, you push and open, and if you push there is no signal that show you there is the valve which is open. It means that this is the air that pass through on this space. It does not go out here. So because the valve it is open, there is no passage if you push on this valve. So and also here you hear there is the valve that open, and also here there is a valve open. It means that if the air push inside on this side, it means that there is the valve that open. There is some passage. So and also here, if you push, there is no valve, and here there is no open valve. Here there is open. If you push here, it means that if there is the sucking of air that creates the vacuum force, and the air on this side, it push this valve and open in order the air enter inside the big cylinder. So if the cylinder push, you see here there is the valve open. It means that if the cylinder go upward, it means that there is the valve inside on this part that open. It means that there is the passage of the air open. So and also here it's the same. So let's put on this cylinder block and see how these things work, and put the cylinder deep. So it's appropriate. So you see that there is the inlet of air. The air enter inside there. It means that when you see on these things, it's attached on this part. On this part. Let me show you. So, as you see, we see that the air enter through inside this and entering inside on this chamber. You see here it is sealed well because it means that there is no escape of the air. So there is the valve. If the sucking air force get the more force, it means that it gets the higher atmospheric pressure than the outside. It means that this valve open and allow the air entering in this cylinder, this big cylinder. So we see how the air enters. It enters through this valve. It's open according to the sucking of air from atmosphere. So on this side, when the piston moves upward, here there is valve that open. Here there is valve that open and allow the air to come out on this side. So let's see on this cylinder the cover which side it enters. It is on this side. It means that it will go out on this port. So, and also let's see this port where it will go and where it will allow the air to pass. So we see that the air, this is the outlet of the air that is entering inside here, enter in the cylinder push it and go out in this on this port. So here there is intercooler. The intercooler that have the one port, it means that the air entering through and they pass through this pipe or this passage. The air cool it through these fins and go out and enter through and they pass through here and go out on this port. So we see that this will recover here. The air comes throughout and enter inside here, pass through this passage of air. This fin is used to cool air by the system of the air pass through on this fin. It will go with its temperature and enter on this side. So let's see this side where it comes. We see that it enters in this chamber. This chamber on this plate, it is here. So we see that if you push, you see the valve open. It means that you allow the air to enter through pass and enter on the small piston cylinder. So when the piston compress it, it will go out on this chamber. So let's we see on the cylinder the cover where it is located. So it means that it enter through there, enter in the small piston, compress it, and go out to the tip on this chamber. This chamber it is just on this chamber, where there is the output of this cylinder cover. So let's see. This intercooler also is located here because the one side of this cylinder it is closed. It means that the air pass through on this port, pass through on this fin, and because here it is closed, it does not enter in this cylinder cover. So it means that it enter and pass through these fins and go out already on this port, going to the compressed air. That's how it works. So let's close it first and see how this compressed air force, what the task it helps us or what things can do. Fixing or mounting the intercooler on the side of the exhaust. So we are going to fix the intercooler on the side of the inlet side. So bolt on the intercooler on the side of the inlet. So now it's well tightened. You are already finished seeing the part, but here it is where the pulley it is inserted, where you insert the belt and connect it to the electric motor. Take the power of electric motor and the belt, transfer it to that crankshaft and rotate, and it's just operate. So let's see this compressed air, what things you will use it in our air work. So this is the air impactor or air wrench. So it is used to take that compressed air and convert it into mechanical power. It is just used to open the bolt and the close. So you see, you insert the socket and put in the bolt or nut, and you just press on this button. It is just open or close. If you want to change the rotation, you press here. The rotation change, and if you want to turn it, you press behind, and the rotation is pressed. If you want to increase the speed or reduce, you come and increase here. You see there is three, there is one. You press and turn. You press and turn. You press and turn. So let's see how it works. And also here there is extension. Maybe you can put extension here. You just socket in order to extend and open something which is where it is not near of you. So this is as the compressor. You just come and connect on that female connector I had told you. At first we let's connect here. The first week you will take that female connector and come and insert this air wrench, tighten well. Just tighten well. I don't know if this tighten well. In order to prevent some leakage of the air, you just tighten it. It's enough. So let's connect. You see, it is connected, and the reds also connect here. On this side, it means that this 5 kilopascal, it indicates the 5 kilopascal. So you see, this is wrench. You see, and if you want to open, you press here. See? And if you want to increase the speed, you press turn. If you want to increase again, you press turn. So it have the four speed ratio. Do this again. Increase. Yes. So Thank you so much. I think you get the something in this session. So for more learning and more video, don't forget to subscribe, comment and share to your friends. So thank you so much. See you soon.